Frustrated by the Windows Error Reporting Library DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. While preparing the manual steps for Windows Error Reporting Library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Windows Error Reporting Library. The Windows Error Reporting (WER) library is the primary engine tasked with capturing application crashes and kernel-mode hangs. It utilizes the WerReportCreate and WerReportSubmit APIs to generate minidump files for Microsoft's diagnostic servers. If corrupted, apps may crash silently without any diagnostic feedback, making it impossible to troubleshoot recurring software failures. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing Windows Error Reporting Library DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Windows Error Reporting Library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Safety first. Never attempt to replace Windows Error Reporting Library DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing Windows Error Reporting Library dependencies. Thank you for trusting us with Windows Error Reporting Library Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.